Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your English lecture. We have already started the first chapter, chapter first, The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov. He is the writer. It's a science fiction, as you can say. So, we have read the half of the story we have already discussed. The story is all about two young children named Tommy and Margie who live in the year where children get an education through computers at their home. One day they come through a printed book and learn something about the school that existed hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Actually, it is a matter of great surprise for the children, Margie and Tommy, because they are living in the age of moving e-text. Okay, digital studies. We were talking about the digital studies now. So, as they find the book and they were just reading, both of them were reading. Margie was listening, and Tommy was reading the book. So Margie was very curious to know about the school that existed in the past time, how the school was existed, how the students used to read the books, used to study, how they sit together and they had make a fun. Tommy tells her that it is not their kind of school. This that is the only kind of school that they had centuries ago. The students had a human teacher who taught them and gave them homework and also asked them questions. Margie argues that a man cannot be smart enough because in her mind there is a particular knowledge is there in her mind that men cannot go to school. I mean to say, gents teacher, we can say a human person cannot, real human being, how a real human being can taught us, like they cannot be smart enough. Okay, so her mind has been set like this. So Tommy further tells her that the teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. The kids of same age learned the same thing. Now it is the Margie school time. Now it is the Margie's school time. She goes to school room which is right next to her bedroom. As I was saying in the previous lecture that she is habitual, she is used to take the classes from digital, from the computer classes. Okay, so she doesn't have the knowledge about the real school, real classroom, real knowledge, real reading and real teachers. So now it is Margie's school time. She goes to the school room which is right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher is on and on, waiting for her. She puts her homework in the slot with the sight. She is still thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's was a little boy. When her grandfather was a little boy. Okay, all the kids were the all the kids from the whole means neighborhood came laughing and shouting at the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day, as we all are doing. Okay, as we all do. I mean, after the departure time, when the school got over, we all stand in a queue. Okay, and we make a line and we moving towards the bus and sit in a particular seats in the buses. So those schools were far better than the schools of today because they offered great fun of the students. Because she is in the mind that how a teacher can come, how the students can join together and they sit in a classroom, like how they make fun and all these things. So this is the thinking that how the kids have loved it. So this is the chapter all about. She was thinking about the fun they had. This is the thinking. She was thinking about the fun they had. That means how the fun they had done at that time. We were talking about the centuries ago ना, हम बहुत सालों पहले की बातें कर रहे हैं. When grandfather time was exist. So she was thinking, now the mind is she has she was continuously thinking, and she has just set up her mind that how the fun they had. This is the story all about. Now is she is getting bored as she is taking the digital classes from computer classes. As you can see in this picture, she is sitting in front of the computer, and the mechanical teacher came, and she do the work, homework, whatever she is doing on the test papers and reading and so ever, and so whatever she has done in the by the computer, by the keyboard and all that. And she just do the classes, take the classes, whatever she is doing. She is doing everything from the digital, that means from e-text, from computer classes. So real knowledge is that what the book has गिवन, जो भी उस बुक में लिखा है वो नॉलेज उसको अब मिली है फ्रॉम टॉमी, बिकॉज ही हैज़ रेड द बुक. ओके, नॉलेज उसको अब मिली है. नाउ शी इज़ मेकिंग एंड शी इज़ टेकिंग द इंटरेस्ट. नाउ शी इज़ टेकिंग द इंटरेस्ट इन स्टडीज़, दैट स्टडी इज़ बेटर. वी कैन मेक आवर लाइफ, वी कैन हैड फन, हम फन भी कर सकते हैं इसमें, हमें नॉलेज भी मिलती है. सो शी इज़ नाउ थिंकिंग, एंड शी इफ़ शी इज़ टेकिंग द इंटरेस्ट नाउ, दैट मीन्स दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. Okay, so now the chapter ends at, and she is continuously thinking about the fun they had. That was the whole chapter. The name of the chapter is the fun they had. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed the chapter very well. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the book exercises and the question answers. Okay, so that was the all. This is the PDF file of your chapter. I hope all the words are cleared. As you can see, in the right side there are the word meanings. See, there are the word meanings like crinkly, antique, scornful, slot, geared, loftily, regular, betcha, dispute, nonchalantly. These all are the word meanings. Okay, that you have to write on your fair notebook. Firstly, you will write the dictation words on your notebook, then you will write the word meanings. After that we will start the question answers. Okay, we will discuss the question answers. I will give you the PDF file of the question answers, then we will learn. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed. Take care of yourself and be safe. Good luck.